Hi friends, I'm Ganesh here from HowToThing, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of the Redmi 4 smartphone which I purchased from Amazon.com. This is the 32 gig storage variant which comes with 3 GB RAM. It is a dual SIM smartphone and supports dual standby. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 chipset and has a 5.5-inch display. The camera on the device comes with 30 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and 5 megapixel front camera. It is powered by a 4100 mAh lithium polymer battery and runs on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. The device has been priced at 8,999 and is available on Amazon.com in flash sale. Now let us just unbox this. This is the gold color variant which I have purchased. Let us put the device aside and check all the other accessories out of the box. It comes with the information booklet and a small guide for a quick start, and this is charging adapter which comes with 5 volts 2 amperes output, and this is a USB cable which comes out of the box, and this is the SIM ejector pin. We'll just put the accessories inside and check the device. As you can see, the device looks pretty similar to that of the Redmi Note 4 which comes with a rear fingerprint scanner. Let us boot the device. As you can see, the device comes with power button and volume lockers on the right side. On the back panel you can see the fingerprint scanner, and here this is the rear camera, 30 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. On the left side you can see the SIM ejector port. On the bottom you can see the speaker grills and the USB charging port, and on the top you can see the IR sensor and the 3.5mm jack. These are the capacitive touch buttons. Now let us open the settings and check the storage on the device. Out of 32 GB, around 25.85 GB is available for the end user, and 1.63 GB is occupied by the apps, and the rest 8 GB of storage is occupied by the operating system on it. Let us check the operating system of the device. It comes with Android 6.0 Marshmallow based MIUI version 8.2.4. Out of 3 GB RAM, around 2 GB of 1.9 GB of RAM is available when no apps are running on the device. It comes with few bloatware applications pre-installed, that is Amazon Kindle, Facebook, WPS Office, PhonePe, Flipkart and Swift Keyboard. These are the default applications which always MI used to use on their smartphones. And apart from that, it comes with basic MI applications, that is Mi Store, Music, Mi Remote. As it comes with the IR sensor, it comes with Mi Remote application where you can access any remote by connecting it. And these are the few predefined tools. The camera, the picture quality of the device is pretty good, as you can see. It comes with a 30 megapixel rear camera. Overall, the device looks pretty cool, and hope you guys like this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you like it and stay subscribed. Thank you.